Hey MSA, I wanted to record a video of at least the MSA extensions for you. I actually have videos for the other parts of the exam too, and I'll post those for you also, but I wanted to make sure I made you this one so we could talk through it a little bit. Okay, so periodic table. First question is, what are two ways that the periodic table is organized? So explain here with examples and show with arrows or numbers on the periodic table on the previous page. Okay, so the periodic table is organized by atomic number is a good way to go. It's kind of like left to right, like kind of the same way we read for atomic number. And then the other way it's organized is, well, there's a few ways, but the other way it's organized is by the number of valence shells or energy levels. So this first row has 1 energy shell, this one has 2, this one has 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it said we should use arrows. Okay, so I'm going to circle the atomic numbers. And I got to make it transparent. I'm going to make this bright and larger. That's hard to see still. Anyways, you guys get the point of that. And then I'm going to do I'll just kind of circle this side here because those numbers show how many energy levels there are, and that would be fine if you showed it that way. And also by and then a third way you could talk about is by the charge that it ends up with, that each element ends up with when it has lost or gained its valence electrons. Also by the charge the element has once it has lost or gained its valence electrons. And that's just kind of like, yeah, that will work. Okay, so the ionic formulas, which atoms? Okay, so here we have lithium and oxygen. And when we write this, it's going to be lithium oxide. Anytime we have an ionic formula, it's going to end in "ide." Okay, so this one is potassium and nitrogen. So this is going to be potassium nitride. Okay, so this one is sodium and chloride. And of course you can use the periodic table. Like, I don't expect you to have all these things memorized. You can definitely use ptable.com to remind yourself what these things stand for. Sodium chloride, so that's going to be, chlorine. Sodium chloride. This is aluminum and oxygen, and this is aluminum oxide. Okay? All right, a parallel circuit and a series circuit. I actually did this already, so I think I have it in my pictures here. Okay, so I just pulled these from my photos. So a parallel circuit looks like this, and it has like each light bulb. This is kind of like what Christmas lights do. If one Christmas light goes out, it's not gonna dim the rest of them, and it's not gonna like break the whole system. You have them all on their own wires, and that keeps them all shining brightly no matter what. A series circuit, on the other hand, is just one line, so like it has to go through each appliance or each light bulb. And so with this one, if one of the light bulbs goes out, then that means that like it's going to dim the whole thing, or it's going to break the whole system. Okay? And that's it. All right, we got it. Good job, you guys. See you later.